Oh, it's not cleaning. You touch it? I did spray. Dear. Heaps of strawberry. Ooh. Right there. Really picking. Overripe. Oh. Namitas ng strawberry. Kasi hinog na yun. Baka makalimutan natin. Pwede na yan. Oh. Kasi ito po. May isa pa dito. Daming bunga. Oh, libre na yung prutas. Oh, diba? Oh, tingnan natin. So, yan. Ayan natin. Marami pang bulak-lak.